UH nursing students. We're Group 3. I'm Amber Edmondson. I'm Harbin.
And I'm Amanda Rotermund.
And today we're going to be demonstrating a how-to on the Alaris Pump, as well as talking about how communication, technology, and informatics, and healthcare quality and safety go along with the Alaris Pump.
This is Harbin. I'm going to be talking about technology and informatics. Nursing informatics is the integration of nursing knowledge and information with technological advancements to promote patient well-being. Technology plays a key role in the increasing quality of care, patient safety, and overall efficiency in healthcare settings. An example of a technological tool used throughout many hospitals today is the Alaris Pump, also known as the Smart Pump. Alaris pumps are computerized patient infusion devices that help continuously or intermittently deliver fluids to patients via IV. The Alaris Pump includes features such as pre-programmed drug libraries, alerts, and audio and visual feedback. This technology helps reduce errors, simplify use, and increase safety.
Communicating with the patient by Amanda Rotermund. Communicating with the patient is always important. A patient has the right and need to know what devices and medications they are hooked up to and taking. Telling the patient what the Alaris Pump is and why they need it builds trust between the patient and the nurse, as well as the technology and the patient. Making sure that there is communication between the patient and the nurse will improve patient satisfaction. This allows the patient to engage and take part in their treatments. If a patient knows what the Alaris Pump is and they know they can communicate with the nurse, it can improve safety, so they won't mess with it. Such as if the alarm goes off, they won't try and silence it and push random buttons. They can call the nurse confidently and have them do it for them, thus improving overall quality of care.
Healthcare quality and safety by Amber Edmondson. The Alaris Pump greatly impacts healthcare quality and safety. The Alaris Pump is a large volume infusion pump that helps continuously deliver fluids, medications, blood, and blood products to adult, pediatric, and neonatal patients. Safety software installed in IV pumps have been shown to positively impact the quality of patient care through the avoidance of medication errors. How it helps is by reducing medication errors, by reducing administration errors, and it has a pre-programmed drug library to alert drug errors. The Alaris pumps help by getting the right dose of the right drug to the right patient using the right route at the right time.
So I went ahead and turned on our Alaris Pump, and the first thing that's going to come up is it's going to ask if it's a new patient, and so we're just going to say yes so that we could start over. And then it's just asking where we are, the adult ICU, so we're just going to put yes. And it's going to ask for a patient ID, but since I don't have one, I'm just going to click confirm. And I have this channel B right here closest to me, so I'm going to start off with that one first. So what I'm going to do is going to go ahead and put in this tubing, and it's going to have a softer tubing in. So I'm going to just lift that up to open. And then this little blue piece right here is going to go in right there. And then you have this blue piece that's going to go into this blue piece. So you're just matching up colors and make sure that's pressed in all the way. And this tubing is a little bit stretchier so that I can pull safely without snapping. And then I also have this clamp on so that it's keeping the saline from going into the patient. And then you're going to shut it. Okay, so it has a channel for A and B, but today I'm just going to be showing you how to do B. So I'm going to select channel, and then I'm going to go over here and just pick basic infusion. So my rate that I'm infusing today is going to be 125. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the button for rate, and then I'm going to enter 125, and then I'm going to go down and do volume to be infused. And since I have 1,000 milliliters, 0.9 saline, normal saline, I'm going to go down here and put 1,000 milliliters. And then all you're going to do next is just hit start. And since this is not on a normal patient, it's going to keep checking for the line, and it's going to say occluded, but since it's the mannequin. All right, thank you.